The air still. How long does it take to do a 4 litre wash and distill it into your? Well, I'm doing 850 ml from a 4 litre wash. That's when it starts to go a little bit me, and it's not quite as nice and zingy. So I'm getting about 850 milliliters from a 4 litre wash. It depends on the room temperature, but my last one took 2 hours and 45 minutes. And then I lift the lid, open a crack to let the heat dissipate. Otherwise, I guarantee if I try and lift it up, I'm just going to drop it on myself. So it takes about maybe anywhere between 2 and 3 hours, depending on the room temperature. Yeah, I'm getting approximately 8 litres of 35% spirits from my 6 bags of sugar. So that lot is what's left of my, there's a few bits lying around in other I experimented with. But I got 8 litres of 35% proof from 6 bags of white sugar, a little bit of yeast, and the turbo carbon thingies. So that probably cost me about 15 quid to make 8 litres of 35% really nice vodka. It cost me £26.50, I think it was. I think it worked out about £26.40 for the ingredients, because for this lot, I used brown sugar. I've still got another 5 litres to distill. I'm using a bloody popcorn bucket to put it in because I've run out of bottles. Yeah, it cost me about £26 to make 8 litres of 35%-ish from brown sugar. And it's really, really nice. I mean, this is nice. This is really nice. It's got a really nice consistency to it. This is nice, but it's got a nice bite to it, a nice bit of flavour. But this is much more flavour. No need to go and buy your whiskey add-ons. Now, the whiskey add-on I tried, it's okay. But the gin little bottle that you can pour into it and it makes it taste like gin, if you get those, they're a couple of quid each, I think. Do it, but don't drink it for at least a week. That way the flavour it ferments into the actual spirit and it tastes better. And a little bit of sugar if you're going to add the gin one. It makes it taste nicer. But yeah, so the air still takes about 2.5 hours to do a 4 litre wash. It will vary if you're using just sugar wash, like I use, or if you're using grains, or if you're using something with more consistency. The denser it is, longer it's going to take. Also, the ambient room temperature.